Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute a particular chat on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the chats button down below, which is the fourth option, and here tap on the chat, click on the group chat's name at the top of the screen, and here you should scroll down until you find the mute option. That's the third button. Tap on it, and here you can select from three options, either 8 hours, 1 week, or always, so that you won't receive notifications. Tap on the relevant one, and here you can see that it has been muted. Whenever you want to unmute, come back to this section and tap on the muted button, click on unmute down below, and it will be unmuted. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.